technology, especially software technology, how it will help to improve the performance, perfection, economic development, as well as in disbursing the social welfare scheme benefits. India is showing how technology can enable inclusivity. India is showing how technology can enable inclusivity. India is still just halfway in its digital public goods journey. The way India has enabled an inclusive society using digital public goods and through policy making is one of its greatest contributions. The way is long for implementation of technology in the administration as well as public goods journey, that inclusive society using digital public goods through policy making. In the process of policy making and social welfare schemes disbursement and economic development, India is using technology in a better way, and it is showing as and technology is giving its greatest contribution for the performance, for the best performance and perfect performance of the policies made by the government. The co-evolving of an Indian government yojanas, that is policies, and India's technology stack is a virtuous circle. It is unlike anything else one has seen. The Indian government, the central government, the Indian government policies are working with the Indian technology is working in a virtuous circle, and it is unlike anything else. Means it is working perfectly, perfectly to implement the government policies along with the help of Indian technology to cover many Indians. The government's Bhashini, a local language translation program which aims to break down the barrier of various Indian languages using artificial intelligence, ADI, and natural language processing, LLP. Bhashini helps Indians to access to the internet and digital services in their local languages. Artificial intelligence is helping the Indian people to translate any language to their local language to make them understand by the rural Indians as well as many illiterate Indians also, to about this is the program of government called Bhashini. This is a local language translation program which makes the translation of any subject into the local language of many local languages of Indians. With this, Indians are able to understand the policies, understand the usages, understand the benefits available to them in their local language, and for this purpose the technology is used is artificial intelligence and natural language processing, that is NLP, in the program called Bhashini, which helps in Indians to access to the internet and digital services in their local languages. All this Bhashini helps Indians to know the knowledge, to have the knowledge about the services available in their local languages. The age for celebration of technology for technology's take is over. It is now about thinking of its use for everyone in the world. Until now, the technology was for improvement of technology or upgrading technology. The technology was used for research and innovation more. Now it is the time to think of its use for everyone, applicable to useful for everyone in the world. Means the technology has to be used to help not only to Indians but also entire world. Aadhaar has also been instrumental in building several public goods such as the UPI account aggregator and open network for digital commerce. Aadhaar based has been instrumental in many public services such as UPI, account aggregator and open ONDC, so that any manufacturer, any service provider can place their product or services in the network to attract the potential consumers to expand their market. India is still halfway in its digital public goods journey in building open network platforms such as UPI, Aadhaar and ONDC. The development India is carrying on with the help of technology is halfway. Still the process is going on, and it will be more useful in open network platforms such as UPI, Aadhaar and ONDC. The big vision is how to create a digital economy and society leveraging the power of modern technology to actually improve the lives of people, to bring economic growth more equitable and inclusive, and really allow people to use their own data to move forward. With this information technology used by the government in many areas, policy making, implementation, administration, the big vision of government is to create an atmosphere so that the benefits of social welfare benefits reach the beneficiary on time, directly and correctly. Modern technology to actually improve the quality of people's life, to bring economic development and more equitable and inclusive, really allow people to use their own data to move forward. It is not the data of others. The people can develop their own data to upgrade their activities, maybe in trade, commerce, manufacturing, service, talent, innovation, creativity. With the help of this technology, the people can upgrade their lives and lifestyle without depending on other data. They can use their own data to upgrade their performance.